Okay, I'm back with the part 3 of the same chapter, which is chapter 2.6, Force on Physics, Form 4. Okay, so now for this is some questions from the tuition book also. So yeah, so a 10 kg object accelerates from rest to 5 meters per second in 2 seconds. Okay, what is the net force acting on the object? So again, the formula for net force is F net equals ma, and since they just want the net force, you don't have to write F minus Fr because yeah, I don't know, yeah. So F net equals ma, and you substitute the value. Oh yeah, also they didn't exactly give us the acceleration, okay, but since they said from rest to 5 meters per second, this 5 meters per second immediately becomes the final velocity, and rest means it's moving at 0 meters per second. Oh my god, so blurry. You know what I'm saying? Whatever. Yeah. That means it's not moving, so it's moving at 0 meters per second. Make sense? Okay, so you have the time. So acceleration is v minus u over t. So v minus u over t. Time taken 2 seconds. So 5 times 5, because I cut these, and you divide this by 5 and by 2, and you get 5. So 5 times 5 equals to 225 newtons. That question's done. Now question number 2. A net force of 10 newtons acts on a 2 kg stationary object. Calculate the distance traveled by the object in 5 seconds. So first, there's actually 2 parts to this question. Okay, I got really confused at first, but yeah, anyway. So now F net equals to ma. F minus F, which is frictional force, I wrote that just in case, equals to 2a, because they gave us the mass of the object is 2 kg. So 2a, so dia dah bagi the F net, which is 10, okay, yeah, 10 newtons. So 10 equals to 2a, a equals to 5 ms negative 2, which is the acceleration. So now, since we already have that, and since we've already learned about some linear motion equation in, I think, chapter 2.1, yeah, in physics chapter 4, I mean in physics form 4, sorry, yeah. So you have this equation, which is S, which is for displacement, equals to ut plus 1 over 2 at squared. S is for displacement, u is for initial velocity, t is for time taken, a is for acceleration. So to find the distance traveled, I just put in all the value, substitute all the values in, and you'll get 62.5 newtons. Yeah. And next, you have an object with a mass of 5 kg moves at a constant velocity when it is pulled by a horizontal force of 5 newtons on a level surface. What is the acceleration of the object if the object is pulled with a force of 25 newton? Okay, so first there's few things to break down here. They gave us the mass, okay, and they said it's moving at a constant velocity. When an object is moving at a constant velocity, its acceleration is 0, okay, so like I wrote here, 0 acceleration. So now it's saying that it's being pulled by a horizontal force of 5 newton, which means the force applied on the object is 5 newton. What is the acceleration of the object? Sorry, yeah, it's already being pulled, okay, with 5 newtons. And let's say my sister is pulling at 5 newtons and I'm pulling with 25 newton. What is the acceleration of the object? Okay, so just imagine this. This is basically what the question is saying. Okay, so I'll draw a nicer box. Yeah, so 5 newton this side and 25 newtons that side. So constant velocity is 0 acceleration. F net equals to ma. F minus resultant force, which is 5 newtons, equals to ma, which m can be substituted by 5 because they said the weight of the object, the mass of the object, the mass of the object is 5 kg. So substitute those values, 25 minus 5, you get 20. So 20 equals to 5a, a equals to 5 m minus negative 2. So that's the acceleration.